put this out there. If you're not ready to stop hair breakages and to boost your hair growth, then this video is not for you. This video is for those who want to stop hair breakages in order to boost their hair growth. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them with your friends and families. And if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. There are a lot out there that you could have watched, but you decided to stop by to watch me today. I really do appreciate that. And I can promise you, you're going to learn a lot and also enjoy this video. But guess what? I just love to read comments as well. So make sure to leave me a comment, say hello in the comment section, and I'll make sure to reply to you. Alright, so one of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is bay leaves. Bay leaves are really great when it comes to hair growth and also stopping hair shedding. It serves as a natural conditioner. So when you use bay leaf water on your hair, it is going to strengthen your hair strands, condition your hair, and prevent it from breaking. It can also treat dandruff and help you grow new healthy hair. The next ingredient I'm going to use today is thyme. Thyme is another natural ingredient that is really great when it comes to hair growth and also helps stop hair breakages. Using thyme in your hair care regimen is going to nourish your scalp and your hair follicles. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff and also dry, itchy scalp. It is going to improve the overall health of your scalp, improve blood circulation into the scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Adding thyme to your hair care routine will improve the overall strength of your hair to prevent them from breaking. The next thing I'm going to add is clove. Cloves is really great when it comes to hair growth. I mean, it's one of the most powerful natural ingredients that will help boost your hair growth. It is going to stop your hair from breaking by improving the strength of your hair strands. Clove, when added to your hair care regimen, can also prevent dandruff. It is really powerful by killing all bacteria on your scalp that might hinder new healthy hair growth. After putting all three ingredients in a saucepan like so, you're going to top it up with water. There is no measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you're making, so feel free to top it up with water because too much or too less is not going to harm you in any way. They are all natural ingredients and very effective when it comes to repairing hair damage, boosting hair growth, and also improving the overall strength of your hair. So at this point, I'm going to put it on the stove, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to allow it to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. But as we wait for it to boil, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you don't know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel by giving videos thumbs ups. So please give this video a thumbs up right now. And also do not forget to leave me a lovely comment in the section below. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I show you how to grow your hair much faster and also to care for your hair. So make sure to join us. Alright, so at this point, my recipe is all ready. I put it off the fire, allow it to cool down, and it was time to strain it. And you can use your cheesecloths, paper towel, or any material with tiny holes to do the straining. At this point, I'm going to add some oil to it. I'm going to add pure grapeseed oil. It has a whole lot of vitamins and also can strengthen your hair strands. But feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, any plant-based oil that works for your hair. The most important part of this whole thing is the natural ingredients, but do not forget to add any oil of your choice to the recipe. And at this point, my recipe is all ready. I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle and I'm going to show you the right way to use it. If you go through the whole process of preparing this treatment and do not know the right way to use it, you will end up wasting your time. So make sure you are watching the next steps on how to use this effectively in order to get all the benefits out of it. So let me show you how to use this recipe. But before getting into all that, if you haven't done so already, I will appreciate it if you can show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So with this treatment, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. So you're going to use it to condition or to moisturize your hair whenever your hair feels dry. I will use it 4 times in a week or every other day. So whenever you apply this, make sure you're massaging it into your scalp, into your hair strands, to every part of your hair. Do not rinse it out. After that, go in with the leave-in conditioner to even moisturize your hair more. Then after that, you want to go in with a hair growth butter or a hair growth grease, which I have a whole lot of recipe to show you how to make your own hair growth butter in my description box. So make sure to stop by to check it out. You need a hair growth butter to seal in the moisture because this treatment is only water-based and you need something with some oil to seal in the moisture. Whenever using this treatment, concentrate on your edges and your problematic areas. Our edges are really weak and thin, and sometimes they turn to break easily, so you really have to treat them with TLC. Then also do not forget your scalp. Massaging this in your scalp will help treat dandruff, kill bacteria or anything that might be hindering your hair from growing. You know new hair grows from the scalp, so you need treatments that will treat your scalp and make your scalp really healthy to give way to new healthy hair growth. Also, put it on your hair strands at the ends of your hair so they do not break. The ends of our hair are really fragile and they end up breaking very quickly because they get introduced to dust, the sun, heat, and everything. So you also need to treat your ends in order to return some length. Please click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!